Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a quick video on Bitcoin. We look at Bitcoin, how Bitcoin is looking currently and whether we have really bottomed and we are ready for the next leg up, or is this a fake out? Let us analyze that in Bitcoin chart. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let's go to the chart directly. So guys, we are currently looking at a Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and on lower time frames, Bitcoin is looking bullish. You can see that we are creating higher high and higher low, and on a lower time frame, it is bullish because you can see this drop, and this was a V-shaped recovery. So this is a bullish sign on the lower time frame. You can see this very clearly. And hence I have marked certain important areas, in my opinion, that Bitcoin should start flipping as support if we have indeed bottomed. So, very important point right now is we have to see, and in this week, I guess we will be much clear of whether we have really bottomed. The important price point right now for me is 32,400 or 32,500, this region. When we start coming down again, if we can stay above this, then this would be indeed a very bullish sign, and we would have flipped this zone into support. So you can see, if we look at this entire move since 19th May, there are times when we have come down here. There are wicks, not candles, for the most of the time. You can see this zone between this red line and blue line, that is between 30,000 and 32,500. This is where we have come down and bounced. And recent times we did come down heavily over here in this range. So, and this was a very severe correction again in this range, where we did go as low as 29,200 somewhat. So the first area to be flipped into support is this region. Hence, if in this week and in the next few days, when we start coming down, which we will, if we can create 30 to 500 into support, then that would be a really bullish sign on a lower time frame. We need to create this as support. And if not, if at all we come down, we have to stay anyway above 30,200. I think breaking 30,200 would reject all the bullish, immediate bullish scenario, in my opinion. If we break $30,000 range again, then that would not be a bullish sign at all. For us to be bottomed here, this should be the low. If we have indeed bottomed here at 29,200, then this is the low. Price cannot go below this. So price has to stay anyway above this. We can have higher lows. But in my opinion, 30,200 is a very important point. We should not go below this in any circumstance in this coming week. And that would imply that yes, we are bullish. But if we are really bullish, extremely bullish, on the lower time frame, we will flip 30 to 500 into support. And on the daily time frame, I hope you guys saw the video I had posted on Friday or Thursday, I don't remember. Please see it where I've clearly mentioned what are the price targets for Bitcoin and other crypto to flip bullish on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we need to see Bitcoin candle above $35,000, somewhere over here. So if we can flip bullish about 35,000 on the daily time frame, then yes, we are bullish in my opinion. So we need a daily closing candle above 35 and we need to stay above 35. 35 should be now created into support, and that should happen this week or anywhere in this week or next week. But once 35 is at support, then yes, we are bullish. But initially, right now, the way things are looking good. Things are looking much better. You can see this is an almost V-shaped recovery even on the daily time frame. You can see this. This is a V-shaped recovery. So that's definitely a bullish sign. That is one thing that we cannot argue, is that on the lower time frames, Bitcoin is looking bullish. Let me check the volume, because I'm still not sure about the volume. Yeah. So the only concern right now for me is volume. We are literally not getting any volume right now. So the volume is very low, and that is one reason where things can become fake out. So definitely volume is looking better than the last few days, but it's not yet great. Hence, this week we will see, and I think this week we'll get a very clear picture of whether we have really bottomed or not. And but on a lower time frames, on immediate time frame, on what we are seeing, things are definitely looking much better if you are bullish. But you don't have to be outright bullish right now. I will still myself, I will wait and I will see how this week turns out to be before flipping my bias to bullish. But again, guys, this is all very short time frame. If we look zoom out, then we are in a massive bull trend, in my opinion. If you see this, since our March crash, COVID crash, this has been an insane wave. And if you zoom out, then from 3,200 somewhat, we went to 60,000. And if we come back and correct and consolidate near 30, this is not at all bad. This is healthy. And we can anyway start create a new wave from here, just like we created from the March COVID crash. So there is, on a longer time frame, we are extremely bullish. If you are somebody who is investing in Bitcoin or any cryptos that are good, then these are times to buy, consolidate your positions and dollar cost average it, because on a longer time frame, Bitcoin is bullish, crypto is bullish in my opinion. So on the daily, we will see this week and I will keep you posted. This was just a very impromptu video I have made, and I will make a new video tomorrow, as we will start with a new week and we will also get a weekly closing tonight. So thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Have a nice Sunday. Bye bye.